Okie dokie guys, let's have a look at this one then. We've got x to the power 4 plus 3x, which is of order 4. And this underneath 2x squared plus 7, which is of order 2. Here's our corresponding fraction, so to speak, 4 over 2, which is top heavy, or improper, so we can do the division then. How many of these underneath go into the thing on top? So this is what we write here. 2x squared plus 7 go into x to the 4 plus 3x. How many of? Okay. Look at the dominant terms. We've got 2x squared and x to the 4. So how many of those go into x to the 4? So the question we're asking is how many 2x squareds go into x to the 4? Right? Would you agree it's x squared over 2? Yeah? So we've got here x squared over 2, or a half x squared. Yeah? So now we put that there. And then we times through by this number through each term through in this part here. So x squared over 2 times 2x squared will give us x to the 4, which is what we wanted. And then we've got x squared over 2 times 7 is 7 lots of x squareds over 2. Do the difference. That take that goes, no problem at all. And then 3x, x squareds here, none. Take away 7x squareds over 2 is minus 7x squareds over 2. That's the x squareds. The x's, 3x, take away no x's here. So it's plus 3x, and there's no constants to worry about at the moment. So that's what we've got then. That's our remainder, our intermediate remainder. And it's of order 2. We started off with order 2, so the fraction we're now left with, if we finish there, would be of order 2 over 2. So it's improper, yeah? So we proceed and ask the same question as before. How many of the, but we're in regard to this remainder now. So how many of these dominant terms go into those? So minus 7x squared over 2, and divide that by 2x squared. How many of these go into that? Well, you can see it's minus 7 over 4. So we put minus 7 over 4 there, and then we times through this number through all the terms that are here. So minus 7 over 4 times 2x squared is minus 7 over 2x squared. Same, that's why we're doing it. And then minus 7 over 4 times plus 7 is minus 49 over 4. Now we do the difference. That take that goes. So that's good, which is what we wanted and expected. How many x's? You've got 3x. Take away no x's here. So that leaves 3x. And then you've got nothing here constant-wise. Take away minus 49 over 4, which is plus 49 over 4. There we go. That's of order 1, which is fine. We can now write down the answer, yeah? Okay, so I just tidy things up a little bit, and we'll put down the answer. So I'll put that over here. So, what have we got then? We've got, so, y equals then, and we've got, where are we? It's that thing is the answer. So it will be x squared over 2 minus 7 over 4. And then we have to plus our remainder. So plus the remainder, 3x plus 49 over 4 over what we were dividing underneath, the 2x squared plus 7. Okay, and that's it. That's the answer. Okay, horrible numbers, mind, fraction-wise, but at the same time, it's just the process. I know the fractions are awkward and made the question awkward, but that is the process, yeah? So that's that 7 done great. Good.